drought relief. Now students, first I would like to tell you the meaning of drought first. It means a long period without rain, and relief means comfort or help. So now Shivaji Maharaj gave various facilities to drought affected peasants. Now peasants means farmers. So he used to waive taxes. So the severity of drought was reduced for people in Swaraj. Now severity means grimness, intensity or power. In the drought year, Shivaji Maharaj distributed the grain stored in the state granaries free of cost to the people. Now students, granaries means a large storehouse for storing grains. He also undertook repairs of various forts and construction of dams, burns and canals during drought year. This way, peasants means farmers and artisan or balutedar could earn their daily living and did not feel the severity of drought. Severity means toughness of drought. So, as the peasants became wealthy, as the farmers became wealthy, he could afford to buy things. Now, afford means have enough money to pay and buy something. So, as the peasant became wealthy, he could afford to buy things like footwear, clothes, etc. So, this provided work to the artisans, those who were homeless. Now, homeless means having no home or people who have no home. So, those who have homeless till then develop the capacity to build their own houses. So, this in turn provided work to the masons, the carpenters, the blacksmith, the brickmakers. This is how, along with the peasants in Swaraj. So, the artisans means the carpenter, the masons, the blacksmiths, the brickmakers. So, like this, the artisans also become happy and wealthy in the drought year. Okay, so let us continue the next point. Sea trade and other markets. Now students, what is the meaning of sea trade? It means sea business, deal or transaction, or an exchanging of items on sea, or the act or process of buying, selling or exchanging items on sea. So Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj well. Now all of you know that Shivaji Maharaj had raised his own navy. He was father of the Indian Navy. And to establish his rule over the sea adjoining Swaraj. But it was not all. He also had special cargo ships built to promote trade in Swaraj. He developed the trade ports like Rajapur. Now, ports means a place where ships may ride secure from storms, means from strong wind. Okay. Then he also built a special market on Raigad Fort. He started a separate marketplace at Khed Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplace in big towns and roadside villages. A new pet or settlement was established at Pashan near Pune by the order of Veermata Jizabai. It was referred to as a Jizapur. Shivaji Maharaj levied. Now levied means to officially demand and collect money. So he levied more taxes on goods imported from the outside region to promote trade within Swaraj. He levied more taxes on the salt produce. Now produce means manufactured or made or generated. So he levied more taxes on the salt produced in the Portuguese territory, which made it costlier, means costing a lot of money. On the other hand, he decreased the tax on the salt produced in the Swaraj so that people could buy it at the cheaper rate. Naturally, it led to an increase in the trade of salt produced in Swaraj. Thus, local trade was encouraged. Shivaji Maharaj made efforts for the growth of trade and industries in Swaraj. He personally made sure that his subjects, his peoples, would not be cheated by the merchants in any way. Merchants means trader. When he came to know that peoples are being cheated in the coconut and betel nut trade in Konkan, he warned the Subedar of that region also. The next point, high regards for women. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and children in the enemy camp were not to be harmed in any way during the period of war, during the period of warfare. In fact, they were to be treated with a great respect. So the behavior of Shivaji Maharaj on several occasions set the ideal of how women were to be treated. The Maratha army had marched upon Belawadi in Karnataka to vanish the fortress there. Mallamma Desai, a brave woman, fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. Now fortress means fort or castle or stronghold. So when Shivaji Maharaj came to know about her courage, he called her his younger sister, returned her fortress and villages to her with honor, and gave the title Savitri to her. Next point, vigilance regarding cleanliness. Now vigilance means alertness or the action or state of keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, now regime means government or administration. So, during the administration of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in home and the public places. He issued orders telling peoples to make a fence means barrier, of the Nirgudi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, scorpions, insects and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. Now students, what is the meaning of fumigation? It is the method of pest control or is the process of using chemical smoke. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the fort. If garbage piled up in various places, in spite of all this, it was not to be thrown down the fort. It was to be burned on the spot, and the ashes were to be used as manure for vegetable grown in backyards. Now ashes means what is the left after burning, or the grey or black powder which is left after something has burned, and manure means the waste, plant food. Shivaji Maharaj's management of forts, guns and firearms, his navy, protection of the environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness and hygiene is a guiding force for us even today also. Next point, Hindavi Swaraj. Now students, Hindavi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belonged, was a Hindavi. Now students, what is the meaning of community? It means a group of people who have something in common. Their Raj was Hindavi Swaraj. Next point, religious tolerance. Now students, tolerance means acceptance. So, the religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal. Now, liberal means big-hearted. In his campaigns, he never caused any harms to mosques. If he came across a copy of the Quran Sharif, now Quran Sharif is the holy book of the Muslim religion. So, Shivaji Maharaj would respectfully pass it on to the Muslims. He never hated Muslims simply because they were Muslims. If a person who had changed his region wished to return to his original region, Shivaji always helped him. His own brother-in-law, Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith, Muslim religion. So Bajaji made Bijapur his home and he accepted the Muslim religion. He lacked for nothing, but he was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day he made up his mind to come back to his own region. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him back in his region. The story of Netaji Palkar is similar. His region had been changed, but he wished to return his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his region. Next point, remember him. Shivaji was a torchbearer in the dark night of slavery, a fighter who got the better of all difficult situations, who surely and slowly increased his strength while giving fight to powerful enemies like Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, Portuguese of Goa and the Siddhis of Janchira, who encouraged his comrades means followers and fooled his opponents. Fooled means deceive and opponents means enemy, and in the end achieved his goal. He was a model son, a cautious leader. Now cautious means taking great care to avoid possible danger or problems, or careful. A skilled organizer. A benevolent means kind and helpful to other. So a benevolent administrator. A clever military strategist. Now students, strategist means a person skilled in planning action, especially in war, or administrator. So, a great warrior, a terror to wicked. Wicked means enemy, evil. A defender of the good, and an epoch maker. Now epoch means era or a period of time in history that is important because of special event, characteristics, etc. When one seen all these brilliant facets means one part or side of his personality, one cannot but say it oneself. Bring to memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. Now students, do you know Shivaji Maharaj had a great respect for saints and holy men. He honored temples. He also gave protection to masjids. He respected both the Bhagavad Gita and the Quran Sharif. He gave protection to Christian churches also. He honored learned men. Parmanand, Gaga Bhatt, Dhundiraj, Bhushan and other learned men received his patronage, means support. He gave great honor on Sant Tukaram, Samartha Ramdas, Baba Yakut and Muni Baba.